In the 20th century, geologists were aware that in the future we need more advanced technology and also a new method in exploring and exploiting oil and gas. Some geologists who are interested in developing the fossil energy were gathered to create an organization with the aim to introduce and learn about geology, especially the petroleum geology. On February 10, 1917, the American Association of Petroleum Geologists, or AAPG, was formed in Tulsa, Oklahoma. At this present time, AAPG grew to be the world's greatest professional geological society. They also opened the gate of new opportunity for young generation to be part of it by providing the student chapter program. Aapg Upn Student Chapter is one of Indonesian student chapter of AAPG in Asia Pacific region. Aapg Upn Student Chapter is container for prospective geologists and geophysicists who want to explore the ability and desire to dig deeper in the field of oil industry.
Hello, I'm Ahmad, and I'm the president of Aapg Upn Student Chapter. To solve the petroleum and energy challenges in the future, I give to you the solution. Welcome to Aapg Upn Student Chapter. All of the activities that Aapg Upn Student Chapter has done is to educate the general public and also to develop our members. Our members had proven that with the Hall of Fame.